Yes, student, in the previous video I have shown you the reverse series of 4. Now I will going to show you the reverse series of 5. Okay, reverse series of 5. So reverse series of sorry, just a minute, not this one. Reverse series of 5. So reverse series of 5 means where it will going to print the value of a 5 from 50 to 5. Okay, so what are the necessary change that you have to do? So these are the again revision program of the for loop or iteration of the for loop or the reverse series program, whatever you can say, whatever the name you can say of it, because it has a different name. Okay, so don't get confused by seeing your question paper. It has a different name, and those the different name what are there, those the different names you will going to find from this particular thing what I am discussing at this moment, and what I had discussed already in my previous all the videos. Okay, so in this particular program what you will going to see, you will going to see it will going to print the reverse number from where, from 50 to 5. Why 50 to 5? Because what I have given here, you can see here that I have started from 50. Okay, then I have went up to 5. So if I want to do this, what I will do, I'll start from 50 and my ending position will be 0, because if I give 0, 0 will not going to show to us. Okay, 0 will not going to show to us. Before of that it will going to end. That means up to 5 it will going to do. So when it is going to do up to 5, what it we will do, we are deducting -5 from each of the cases. Okay, so as I am deducting the -5 from each of the cases, see here, this is a table, this is a table output what you will going to see. That means 50, 45, then what, 40, 35. Okay, 30, 25, 20, 15, then 10, then 5. So that means what you can see here, each of the cases the 5 is deducted from here. That means I have said you that if you need to deduct, you have to deduct, or if you need to add, you have to add a single type of phase. That means for loop 3 part is there. One is the starting position, one is the ending position, one is the incrementer or the decrementer. So starting and ending position along with the incrementer and decrementer, what you will going to see that each of this particular part you should have a same type of fields there. Okay, subfields, if you say that if I want to create a subfields and I want to run the program, that you can do. That means you can break the program, you can make the program more longer, you can subdivide the program into more longer, you can use the functions, you can call the functions. So all these things, but the major thing will cannot be changed. What is the major thing? That in a for loop you must have the first starting address, then the ending address, and then that means first the starting position, then the ending position. Address, it's not address, it is a starting position, then the ending position, and after the starting and ending position, then what will be its incrementer or decrementer. By default is what, you know it, by default it will going to 1. Okay, so if you don't give anything, that means it will going to do the thing within 1. So this is what you will going to find it, that it will going to help you out in this way to make a particular series of a 5. Okay, so that you can do it, that you can do this is a series of n5. Next program I am going to show you, this is a reverse series, 2 reverse series I have showed you. Next program I am going to show you that from the front to the back. Okay, so from the front to the back it will going to print out the particular structure, and as it will going to print out the particular structure, that particular structure will have a pattern on it. Okay, so this is the particular structure which will going to have a pattern on it. What is the pattern you are implementing? Like here I have given in one particular pattern. You can implement any of the pattern what you wish, okay, or what you want. So the based on that particular pattern you will see the structure will going to create. As the structure will going to create, you will going to have an implementation of that particular program in your work. Clear? So as you going to have an implementation of the particular program in your work, so this is how you can find it, that how the structure will going to form and how you are going to implement on it. So this is a major thing, this is the major part of it, and this particular major part